Wasn't gonna post this today, but I'm excited. So I have 3 fully completed songs for the EP, and then I have 3 musically completed songs for the EP. And that is amazing because vocals, guys, that does not take me long at all. So I will be done this EP very quickly. Quicker than I thought. So I'm on schedule to release the EP at the time I want it. And I really hope y'all are excited about it because I am. And yeah, I'm gonna be finishing up a show that I'm in this week, and then next week I will be doing all the vocals for the EP, and then it will be done, and then I can just focus on shooting the cover and shooting the music video, and then we can release it. And I can't wait for y'all to hear it. So thank you so much for being patient, and thank you to any new followers again. So yeah,